presenting a pre-owned 2019 Dodge Charger. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Dodge has less than 117,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, and Sirius satellite radio. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.